Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till that man begin to glow, like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow. Now love got your attention. Here's what you men need to hear. You want your lady racing with you, you got to get her in gear. Well, here's the key to rebel mode to find the specialist the best. If you don't know where it is, give her the stick. She'll do the rest. Push the button, push the button, push the button, push the button. You gotta push it if you wanna come in. Well, push the button, push the button. Give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. Well, if you wanna feel the train a coming, go ahead, baby, push the button and pull the window straight. Now listen, all you red hot lovers, you are